Hello and welcome back to another episode of Physics Partner. Let's embark on a cosmic adventure to measure the sun's strength. You will need a large pad of paper, a pen, a ruler, a toilet paper tube, and a clear sunny sky. First, record your location and the date on your paper. Next, reshape that toilet paper tube into a square, ensuring sharp, crisp corners. Place the square tube on your paper so the sunlight pours through, casting a shadow down the middle of the page. Carefully trace around the square bottom of the tube. For your first reading, do this in the morning. Line up the tube's end with the edges of the traced square. If needed, turn the paper so the sunlight creates a shadow straight down the center. Angle the tube until the shadow is the thinnest possible line. Then trace this shadow. Measure the length of the original traced square. Divide it by the length of the sunlight shadow and multiply by 100. This percentage shows the sun's current strength compared to when it's directly overhead. Now wait until later in the day when the sun is higher in the sky for your second reading. Repeat the process. Align, angle, trace, and calculate. You will notice the shadow's length has changed, altering the percentage of the sun's strength. Finally, take a third reading as the sun nears the horizon at sunset. The shadow may stretch so long you will need another sheet of paper. Gather all your results on one page. You will see how the sun's strength shifts over the day as its angle in the sky changes, revealing the dynamic dance of sunlight in action.
So I think it's enough for today. So thank you very much for listening and watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is useful for you. So take care of yourself and don't hesitate to write an email if you have any question, query, suggestion, and even classes are required. Take care of yourself meanwhile. See you in the next video. Goodbye.